Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. What a beautiful weekend. Last weekend we were at the Atlanta Koi auction. It was a great and exciting event, and in this video we're going to show you everything about it.
Price sold for $350 to number 330. Sold to number license sold to number 7.
Yay!
This year, the Atlanta Koi Club is held at the Fur Kids Animal Rescue and Shelter. I'm really amazed by how beautiful this place is and all the koi pond in the surrounding area. The weather was beautiful and the turnout was great. Everybody at the Atlanta Koi Club was very nice and very helpful and get us sign in and register very quickly. The auction was a really organized one. Each seller has their own separate tank to make sure all the koi are not mixed together, they're all separated. And each tank is supplied with a centralized air pump to make sure that enough oxygen is in each tank. There are also dedicated person from the club to make sure that the water quality in each tank is good throughout the entire auction. And as you can see, there are many different kind of koi, different size and variety in the auction. There are also some goldfish for sale as well. And here we have some future champions back together with their friends. And here we have a tank that has 3 amazing koi. Fortunately, we were able to win one of it. And here's some koi has their birth certificates available. And here we have a beautiful showa that it caught my eye right away and I really love it. And it also has a birth certificate with it as well. This Budo Goromo has a really great body shape and it actually did very well in the auction as well. The auction goes around each tank and each tank take turns. Not all koi are sold at once in one tank, and the koi that's being auctioned off in each round is being put into the bowl like this to make sure that the bidders are clear which koi that they're bidding for. Oh, the face. Nice. Cool.
All right, we're going to do the showa. I would say the big one, but that's all of it. So we'll start the bidding at 300. Starting at 300. 300. Yes, 300 here. 325. 325 looking for 350. 350 looking 375. 350. We got 375 looking for 4. We got 4 looking for 430. 4 looking for 430. Got 430 looking for 460. 460 looking for 500. 460 looking for 500. 500 looking for 550. 550 looking for 600. 550 looking for 600. 500 once. We got 550 back here looking for 600. 550 we got 600. 650 looking for 7. 650 we got 7 looking for 750. 750 looking for 8. We got 8 looking for 850. 850 looking for 9. We got 9 looking for 950. 950 looking for solid grand. 950 looking for 1K. 950 once. 950 twice. And sold for 950 to number 39.
Let's go.
Bidding on this at $450 for this lovely Goromo, and I might bid on it myself. 450, except I don't have my paddle. 450. Oh, it's an expensive fish. 450, 400. Somebody has got to give me 400 now. We got 400 over here. 400 looking for 450. 400 looking for. We got 450 looking for 5. 400 looking for 5. 5, we get looking for 550. 5 looking for 550. 5 looking for 550. We got 5 going once. 550 looking for 6. 550 looking for 6. We got 6 over here looking for 650.
You can have it. Come on.
6 looking for 650.
I already bought 2.
We got 650 in the back. 650 looking for 7. 650 looking for 7. 650 looking for 7. I got 650. 7 looking for 750. 7 looking for. Got 750 looking for 8. 750 looking for 8. 750 going once. 750 twice. Sold for 750 to number 16.
Woo!
A metallic Showa here. What did I say? 250? Looking for 275. 250 looking for 275. 275 looking for 300. I got 300 looking for 325. You reading that? 300 looking for 325.
He's gonna kill me if I take home a fish, but I love this one.
325 looking for 350. 350 looking for 375. 350 looking for 375. 375 here looking for 4. 400 looking for 425. 400 looking for 425. 400 going, 425 looking for 450. 425, we got 450. 475 in the back looking for 500. 500 looking for 530. 500 looking for 530. 500 once. 500 twice. 530 in the back looking for 560. 560 looking for 590. 560 looking for 590. 560 once. 560 twice. 590 looking for 625. 625 looking for 670. 5 going once. 625 twice. Is that the right price? That's what I had you at, right? 625?
Con kêu đã.
Sold for 625 to number 15.
So these are all sold? Sold. Oh, wonderful. Wow, so many. Also, koi are removed from the tank and back with oxygen right here. There are also lunch available during the event.
175. 175 looking for 200. 200 looking for 225.
Sorry. Thank you.
225 looking for 250. 225 looking for 250. I got this is the first one I saw. 250 looking for 275. 275 looking for 300. 300 looking for 325. 325. 350. 375. 350. 375 looking for 4. 375. 400 in the back. 425 looking for 450. 425, 450, looking for 475, 475, looking for 500, 500, looking for 530. 500, looking for 530. Yeah. 500, looking for 530, I got 500 once. 530, looking for 560. 560, looking for 590. 590, looking for 620. 620, looking for 650. 650, looking for 700. 650 looking for 700. 700 looking for 750. 750 looking for 800. 750 looking for 800. I got 750 once, twice. Sold for 750 to number 15.
I'm really glad that we drove all the way from Charlotte to Atlanta for the koi auction and bring home with a big haul. Thank you, Atlanta Koi Club, for hosting the auction. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube and like us on Facebook, Charlotte Koi Club. Thanks.
$200. 200. 175. I got 200 in the back. 200 looking for 220. 200 looking for 220. Got 220 looking for 240. Got 240 looking for 260. 260 looking for 280. 260 looking for 280. Got 280 looking for 300. 280 looking for 300. 280 going once. Got 300 looking for 325. 325 looking for 350. 350 looking for 375. 350 looking for 375. 375 looking for 4. We got 4 looking for 430. 4 looking for 430. 400 going once. 400 twice. Sold for 400 to number 31. 125. 100. Got 100 here looking for 110. 110 looking for 120. 120 looking for 130. 130 looking for 140. 140 looking for 150. 150 here looking for 160. 160 in the back looking for 170. 170 here looking for 180. 170 looking for 180. 180 looking for 190. 180. We got 190 looking for 2. 200 looking for 220. 200 looking for 220. 220 looking for 240. 240 looking for 260. 240 looking for 260. I got 260 looking for 280. 280 back here, looking for 300. 300 looking for 320. 300 looking for 320. 300 once. 300 twice. Sold for 300 to number 33. Alright. That is a cool shaped fish. We're going to go with 75. How much is it? 75. We got 75 here. 85. 85 looking for 100. 85 looking for 100. 100 looking for 120. 100 looking for 120. 120 looking for 140. 140 looking for 160. 160 looking for 180. 180 looking for 2. 180 looking for 2. We got 200 looking for 220. We got 220 looking for 240. 240 looking for 260. 240 over here. 260 looking for 280. 280 looking for 3. We got 3 looking for 325. 325 looking for 350. 325 looking for 350. 350 looking for 375. 375 looking for 4. 375 looking for 4. 375 once. 375 twice. And sold for 375 to number 11. Right here, we'll start at $10. $10 for with the bag of babies sitting right here. We got $10 right there, looking for 15. We got 15 here, looking for 20. 15 looking for 20. We got 20 right here. 25. 25 looking for 30. 25 looking for 30. 25, we got 30. 30 looking for 35. 30 looking for 35. 30 looking for 35, 30 going once, 30 twice, sold for 30, looking for 350. 300 looking for 350, 350 looking for 400. 350 looking for 4. 350 looking for 4, 350, we got 4 looking for 450. We got 450 looking for 5. 450 looking for 5, we got 450 once, 450 twice, sold for 450 to number 11. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.
Good job. Congrats.